Let's go into a little bit more information on what templates are. So a template is all the branding material for, let's say, one specific company. So in this example of the media that I've been uploading so far, I have my domination website with my own individual pre-roll, post-roll, and watermark files, and then I have the tattoo shop with its own watermark and pre-roll files. So I have two different companies. Now in the source media I'm talking about selling. So those clips that I want to generate apply to both of my companies, but I want to brand them individually. So that's where templates come in. So I'm going to create one template for just my domination client or content, and then I'm going to create another template for just my tattoo shop. So this way, in that hour-long footage, if I generate 10 clips, I'm going to brand each clip. For one branding for the domination website, one branding for the tattoo shop, and then clip number 2, we're going to brand it for domination, and we're going to brand it for the tattoo shop, and so forth. So this way we would have 20 clips in the end, a whole set of 10 branded for domination, and another whole set of 10 for the tattoo shop. Now, the brandings and templates you can use are unlimited. So if you wanted to make 10 different templates, you could do that. Another example, if you want to get really crazy, let's say you're making ads for Facebook, and you want to really cater these ads to a specific demographic. You could make 50 different templates, and each template, you're talking to a specific state. You'd be like, hey New York, what's up? I'm Adam, welcome to Domination. That's your pre-roll file. Thanks for checking me out, New York, see you around. And then there's your outro for your New York. Then you can make a California one. Hey bro, what's up? Sorry, I'm not from California, I don't know how they talk out there. I'm sure it's something like that. And that's your pre-roll for California, and then post-roll. Thanks bros, let's go surfing, or some, I don't know, whatever. And that's your California post-roll. So now you would have one template for New York and one template for California. So this way you can have your main content where you're selling your thing or talking about whatever, but it's wrapped in that demographic content. So now when you put that ad up, you can cater it to just people in California. People will relate to it more because like, oh look, he made this video just for me. Not really. He made one video just for them, and then all the other ones you made catered, for specific things. So that's another use case that you could use domination for, and that's how templates can really help you out. So that's the breakdown template. So now let's go in and show you how this whole works. So first, we're going to create two templates for ourselves, right? So the first one we're going to call is, let's call this one domination template, and we're going to do the domination watermark. So the watermarks are the little video files, or the little images that are going to go on top of your video files that we create in your clips. If you forgot to upload your watermark, you can go ahead and click upload watermark. It'll take you to the upload media page. Now here's where we add our pre-roll and post-roll media files. So for example, the first one we want to add is a pre-roll. Now we've already designated what each media file is from the step before when we verified our media and said what they are. So when we select pre-roll, we're only going to see the files that we've designated as video pre-roll files. If you don't see it in there, it's because it has the wrong designation or wasn't designated at all. So you can just go back to the My Media page, which is right here. Go to Media, go to My Media, and on there you can change the media types, and this way you can pick it here. So in this example, I'm going to go ahead and add the domination intro. Another thing is, when you add your next one, you can add your video post-roll, but you can also add another video pre-roll. You can have as many video pre-rolls and post-rolls, and audio pre-roll and post-roll, before and after each clip you create. So when we create that one, we have that one long source media file, and we create 10 individual clips from that. We could have 3 pre-roll files and 2 post-roll files go at either end of every single one of those clips that we create. So you can have a welcome, hey, what's up, and then maybe an ad, and then maybe a highlight clip of what they're about to see or something, and then the clip, and then maybe one at the end that says, hey, thanks for watching, and then a new subscribe video that you change all the time. So this way you only have to update one media file, and then all your templates can now stay the same. So that's what the pre and post is going to do for you here, is that you can really expand it. Don't think of just one thing. You can do as many as you want on either end. And with that, you can use that to really get creative here. So the video post-roll file, I'm going to pick that one as the domination one. And then just like the video, we're going to do the same thing with our audio files. So for the MP3s that we generate, we're going to put our audio pre-roll and post-roll files at either end of those as well. So there we go. If I were to accidentally, let's say I added another one and I decide I don't want it, very easily just click the little red X, it removes it, and we're done. So now that we have the domination template, I'm going to go ahead and click create template. Now I want to make one more template. So up here I'm going to go to templates, create template. And now we're going to make one for the tattoo shop. So we'll call this my tattoo shop. And we're going to pick the tattoo watermark. And then for this one, I only have a video pre-roll file, tattoo intro. That's it. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and create the template. Another thing to note is you don't have to have a watermark and you don't have to have media items for pre-roll and post-roll. You can do a whole template where all it is a watermark, and you could do a template where there is no watermark and only pre-roll or post-roll files. So either way, you can make them however you like. So we'll go ahead and create that. There we go. So now our templates are created, and now we can create our job. One last thing, we're going to show you how to manage your templates. It's pretty simple. If we go to My Templates, you'll see, oh look, I have all these other ones. What are they? So when you sign up with Domination, I went ahead and created 2 demo templates for you that have Domination pre-roll and post-roll files and a watermark. This way you can kind of play with it. So if you don't have your own pre-roll and post-roll files, it's not a problem. You just want to see how the site works. You can use our templates to play around with and see what the site can do for you. Again, the pre-roll and post-roll files are totally optional. You don't have to upload them. You don't have to have them to use the site. It just adds a lot more flair to the video and to the content that you could create. Now, if you don't have the capability or the know-how to create your own pre-roll and post-roll files or make them really fancy, I highly suggest going to Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com. I'm in no way related to them at all, but I use them. So whenever you want like a fancy video intro and outro, you can send them your logo or text, and for $5, they'll make you something in turnaround time in like a day. So you can get really cool stuff that way pretty cheap, and then come back here and use that to really enhance your videos. Now, if you don't want these demo templates, it's really simple. All you got to do is just hit the little red X, and that's how you delete a template. There we go. And then if you're like, oops, I actually need those demo templates back, I really wanted to check them out. If you click this here, it will recreate those templates for you so you can play with them. And you can actually go in and edit them and change them around to make them do whatever you want to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and let's delete the second one. Why not? So we'll leave ourselves with 3 templates for right now. That's it. That's everything I can tell you about templates. Next, we're going to go ahead and create jobs. I'll see you there. Dominate with content, domination.com.